Hi everyone, it's Dr. Jeff from K. Harris Chiropractic and Wellness Center. And today I want to give you a quick tip on an exercise that everyone can start to do at home without any type of exercise equipment. So this very classic exercise is what's called the air squat. So the air squat really just means that you're going to do a squat, but you're going to use your own body weight to use the squat. This is great to be able to help increase the strength of your quads and your hamstrings and your calves. And it's also going to be help to increase mobility of your ankle and your feet joints. So this will be a great way to start improving your strength and getting that muscle strength back, and as well as helping to increase your body's ability to have more motion and coordination as we go. So to do the air squat, it's very simple. Find a space on the ground that you have enough space. Keep your feet a little bit shoulder width apart, and the key is you want both of your feet to be pointed out a little bit. So that's going to help to take some of the pressure off your knees. So simply, when you get in this position, put your hands wherever you like them, and then you're just going to bend down, and you're going to get down as low as you can in the squat. Now, if you can't get as low in the squat, don't worry about that. If you can only get this high, start here, and then stand up from here. So go lower, and then stand up. If you can get lower, go lower, and then go down. The key is you want to keep your heels on the ground when you do these squats, and bending down. So some of you might be bending forward a little bit, but you want to get that increased mobility. So what you want to do is maybe 10 to 12 reps of these, take 3 sets of them. So take a break and do it again. If you're finding you don't have enough strength to get started here, then use a couch or something beside you to help. So as you bend down, then you can use something to help push it up. So that can even be a table in front of you. When you get down, you can push yourself your way back up or hold on to it. That's your quick tip. Air squats, very simple exercise. You don't need any type of equipment to start at home. If you're starting to do walking, or you're starting to increase that high intensity walking where you're increasing the intervals and you're running a little bit, walking a little bit faster, stop one of those intervals and stop and do 10 air squats on your walk. It'll significantly help to increase your body's ability to be able to increase muscle, and also to be able to help your body increase metabolism to burn more calories. So I hope this has helped. Try this maybe 3 times a week. Don't do it every day. Give yourself muscles break in between there. And I hope that it helps. Until next time, I'm Dr. Jeff.